And a very good morning, Mark. Here it is Tuesday, October the 7th, 7:50 a.m. Eastern. That's 11:50 a.m. GMT. US session about to get underway. And let's have a look how our major indices are performing this morning, starting on the US dollar index. A strong start to the US dollar index. I've got support at 97.82, and you can see resistance right now 98.24, and that is being tested. This resistance level been tried since the beginning of September, rejected, tried again, 25th of September, rejected, and this is the third time since the start of September. We'll see whether buyers can maintain above this resistance area and get higher, or if there's going to be a turnaround from strong US dollar to weak US dollar, and sellers step in at this level, looking down at support at 97.82. I've got commodities, gold, another another record high, 3,976 is resistance, and support at 3,940. Gapped a bit higher to start. You can see that made the new all-time high. Come down a little bit since then and hang around just above yesterday's close. If I go to the hourly, there you can see there's the initial sell-off, and in the past 4 hours, there's gold fighting back, sitting at the 3,965. Buyers looking up at the 3,976 resistance. Sellers looking below the 3,940. Let's have a look at Brent oil. Gapped up slightly to start after yesterday's close. Today, almost a doji-like candlestick, marginally green, but I think a doji candlestick most accurately describes today's activity. I've got the support at $65, 65.07. I've got resistance at 65.82, and for now, sitting in the middle of that range. Buyers looking to test break above this level, sellers looking below, but both have tried but come back pretty much to slightly above yesterday's close. Let's have a look at the S&P. Going on 8 a.m. Eastern Time, US session about to get underway, and an hour and a half away from Wall Street opening up. To start with, futures market, we're seeing demand for US equities, the S&P in particular. I've got support at 6,773, and I've got resistance at 6,789, matching yesterday's close. You can see for the past 3 days, high levels here, and buyers will look to test break above this level, looking up at the 6,800 level. Sellers will be looking below the 6,773 support area. Bitcoin. Bitcoin certainly is showing strength today. Was tested a bit, tested lower, perhaps some profit taking. Got support at 123.3 thousand, and I've got resistance at 125,100. That's the level buyers will be looking to test, break above. Yesterday, record high at the 126,000. That's the level buyers will be targeting. Sellers will look to bounce down off this current resistance, looking down below the 123.3 support level. But let's zoom in on the hourly. There you can see there's the sell-off Asian session into the European session, and now for the past 4 hours you have buyers that have stepped in. EMAs have just crossed to the upside on the hourly, and that 125,000 is the target that buyers will be eyeing. Good trading, keep that discipline, and I will see you at end of day session.